Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 4, 2025. Today's video is about Greensburg tornado. The Greensburg tornado was a large and devastating tornado that moved through Kiowa County, Kansas, on the evening of May 4, 2007, amid a tornado outbreak across the central United States, causing catastrophic damage to the town of Greensburg. The tornado tracked 28.8 miles, 46.3 kilometers, through the area, killing at least 11 people and injuring 63 others. The tornado was the first to be rated EF5 on the enhanced Fujita scale after the retirement of the original Fujita scale in the United States in 2007. This photograph, taken for the Federal Emergency Management Agency, shows the destroyed town center of Greensburg on May 16, 12 days after the tornado struck. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.